What defines a superstar in the NBA? Is it his shooting volume? Is it a team's need for that player to have the ball in his hands as much of the time as possible? Or simply the amount of points he generates? While it may seem somewhat subjective, identifying these types of players is possible with statistics, specifically with one: load. That's it. Load is the amount of offense a player has to hold on his shoulders. A statistic that's based on a complicated formula, but which allows us to establish a scale to rank players. And the protagonist of today's video? Yeah, we could say that he's quite high in the ranking. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander is the 8th player with most load in the entire NBA with a value of 57.1, only behind other offensive juggernauts like Tyrese Haliburton, Nikola Jokic, Devin Booker, Luka Doncic, or Joel Embiid.